back to the original place. Next thing is I am a MLA within as per the constitution within 6 months.
What will be your now priorities?
Priorities have already been decided as the Chief Minister. So priorities as the MLA will start from here.
When will you appoint an IAS officer?
That will come after proper consultation. And that is basically will start as a Panji as a model city. And that same principle, once we start implementing in Panji, will be used for other cities to be updated.
So what about Rajya Sabha?
I have resigned.
What are your immediate priorities now?
Immediate priorities to put the
As
health,
in,
health sector on track. As committed earlier in several press conferences, what we have said is right from putting Goa Medical College, right from ensuring that we, under the guidance of the Chief Minister, modification of the DDSSY scheme so that more benefits are provided to the people. Tinkering of the scheme is going on. We are trying to see how best we can provide more benefits to the people. Apart from that, cardiac ambulances, additional doctors in Goa Medical College, additional doctors in the cardiac wing, and also whatever the staffing and doctors that are required will be taken up on top priority. Chief Minister is already giving time in the next, in this week itself, so that we can, comprehensively approve all this. All sub-health centers will be made active point of contact. Earlier this attention was not being given. So all sub-health centers will have one staff from morning 9:30 to 5:30. So I am starting my visits now from this week, where we will not only put trust on the PHC, but medicines and all will be available in rural and interior sub-health centers where people don't have to come for basic cough, colds and syrups and all to the PHC. So there itself it is taken care of. And also we are trying to have a doctor visit these centers once a week at least. At the moment we are running short of doctors. So till that time we are trying to have this arrangement.
At the same time, what about giving autonomy to JMC?
No, giving autonomy is not the right time to give autonomy to GMC. There are a lot of things that have been monitored directly under the Chief Minister and myself. And we are also looking at, because I just received a letter with an brief interaction with Mr. JP Nadda regarding having another AIIMS in Goa. So that also I am pursuing the proposal of seeing whether we can have a AIIMS in Goa. So that will become autonomous, and we have the land and we will give them the land if they agree to this proposal. And also to ensure that more hospitals come and get registered under the DDSSY scheme. So that is the top priority.